Today we will be making slime out of play-doh and soap. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to make it.
Okay, and some of y'all up here going downstairs.
It's cold.
Okay, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. So let's get started. All you need is some body wash. Some of you guys, I know this is backwards, and some Play-Doh. I will be right back. I'm sorry I keep having to restart, but just give me one. Alright guys, I am so sorry, but I switched this soap. But you can use any soap, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, now let's get started. First, you need to flatten out your Play-Doh. You don't really have to flatten it out, but if you want to, you can. So it will be flat like this. Put it on the place where it will not fall off, like a table or anything that's flat. And then we will add our Ocean Breeze body wash. Only add, like if your Play-Doh is already smooth to the point where it feels like clay, you should only use a little bit. But if it's like just regular boring Play-Doh, and slime is the new thing instead of Play-Doh. So Play-Doh is getting, like, you know what I'm talking about, kicked off the curb. And then slime is stealing the Play-Doh place. Okay, but anyways, let's get started. Let me stop talking. Okay, so now I'm going to add my body wash to my plate. And as you can see, I added it. And then what you want to do is start putting it into Play-Doh. It's okay if it squirts out while you're squeezing it. It's supposed to do that. That means that you're making success. Huh? Thank you. Yeah, as you can see, I have a fidget spinner. It's custom. Okay, let's get back to the video.
Over here, when I heard it, Kyrie take your picture, she said, no, he gave it back.
No, he did not. She lied.
She don't want to keep it.
She had it.
No,
Tyreek did. Tyreek had it.
no, Kyrie took it.
Oh, yeah. I gotta get back to my video. Sorry, those are my noise brains. Oh, and one more thing. Let's get this video to at least 100 or 60 likes. Because I'm new to the channel. This is not my phone, this is my mom. Oh, and a shout out to, what's her name? Rara. She inspires my slime video. So yeah, shout out to her. And let's just get back to the video. And I promise that I will not talk anymore. So like if your slime looks like this now, and you want it to be more like a slime texture, all you have to do is put some more. I will not be putting any more. I'll be putting something else. I will be right back. I'll have to go get it. Guys, what I needed was just water. And if you're trying to comment, why couldn't you just use the water from your bathroom? It's because the sink water is purified. This water is for washing your hands or taking a wash up. So I want to know the difference. And as you can see, it's turning into slime already. And when you do that, it's not doing something that play-doh would do. But then when you get to a certain part, it will break. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Get this to at least 40 likes or 60 likes or 100 likes. Yeah, anyways, bye guys. Talk to you later.